How to get PlayStation Plus Premium for free. No credit card needed, verified method. Hey, what's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get 12 months of PlayStation Plus Premium absolutely free. This is the full version of PlayStation Plus with all features unlocked. You won't need any credit card details, and I'll be walking you through the entire process step by step. Before we jump into it, let me show you that this actually works. So I'm on the official PlayStation Store right now, and I've got a PlayStation Plus Premium 12-month subscription in my cart. You can see the price here is $189, which is what I'd pay in Canada. But don't worry, this code works worldwide, whether you're in the US, Canada, or anywhere else. Now, I'm going to enter the special subscription code, and you'll see it work right in front of you. So, here we go. I'm going to copy and paste this 15-digit code, hit apply, and look at that. The code is accepted, and my subscription is active for a full year. It's that simple. Now that you've seen the code works, let me show you how to get your own free 12-month PlayStation Plus Premium subscription. All you need is a smartphone. Whether you use Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter. Let me show you exactly what to do. I'm going to turn on screen recording so you can follow along. I'm using an iPhone, but this works on all devices and browsers. First, open your browser and go to FundsZap. That's FUNDSZAP. This site is fantastic for grabbing game codes, promo codes, and even other types of discounts. They update the site frequently, so you'll want to check back often before the codes run out. Once you're on the site, search for PlayStation Plus. When you find it, you'll see that there are different options for 3-month and 12-month subscriptions available. The 12-month subscription is the one we want, so click on it. Scroll down the page, and you'll see an option to reveal your code. At first, the code isn't visible, but don't worry, we're almost there. To unlock your code, there's just one more simple step. You'll need to complete a couple of easy tasks to verify your account. These are simple and quick to do, and I'll walk you through it. You'll see a list of tasks that need to be completed. For example, you might be asked to run a particular app for a certain amount of time, or complete a simple action within the app. These tasks are super quick, and once done, you'll be able to come back to FundsZap and click the Unlock Coupon button to reveal your code. Go ahead and complete the tasks. They'll usually involve something like using an app for 30 seconds or reaching a basic level in an app. Once you're done with these, head back to FundsZap. Now, click the Unlock Coupon button, and after a brief moment, your free PlayStation Plus Premium 12-month subscription code will be revealed. Now that you have your 15-digit code, all you need to do is copy it. Head back to the PlayStation Store and paste the code into the Redeem Code section during checkout. If for any reason the code doesn't work, it might mean you missed a step or didn't complete a task properly. Just go back to FundsZap and double-check the instructions. You might need to repeat a task or try a different one. And that's it. You've just unlocked your PlayStation Plus Premium for a full year, totally free of charge. It's that simple. Remember, the codes are available in limited quantities, so make sure you grab yours as soon as possible. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let me know in the comments if you had any trouble, and I'll try to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.